Hello class, we're now in our spelling class for Wednesday, April 15th, 2020, and we're on list 30 and day 3. We're going to practice our words, so go ahead and number your paper from 1 to 20 and label your paper practice test, spelling practice test, list 30, and today's date, which is April 15th, 2020. Once you have your paper label, these are our practice words, and you can go over them with your parents to make sure that you spell them correctly, and the ones that you did not get correct, those will be the ones that you will need to study for the test on Friday. So let's begin with number 1. Number 1 is candle. Mom lit a candle for us. Candle. Remember, these are the LE words. Most of them are LE, have the endings LE. Number 2 is turtle. The turtle rested on a large rock. Turtle. Number 3, look. You can look at the pictures with me. Look. Number 4, twinkle. Grandpa has a twinkle in his eye. Twinkle. Number 5, crumble. Mike likes to crumble crackers into his soup. Crumble. Number 6, sprinkle. I will sprinkle some water on the plants. Sprinkle. Number 7, jungle. The tiger hid in the jungle. Jungle. Number 8, sample. Miss Monroe made a sample of the art project for us. Sample. Number 9, purple. Sierra wore her purple sweater. Purple. Number 10, simple. This math problem is simple. Simple. Number 11, marble. The marble rolled under the table. Marble. Number 12, stood. Ryan stood to say the pledge. Stood. Number 13, anyone. Has anyone seen my book? Anyone. Number 14, anything. Do you have anything for me? Anything. Number 15, anywhere. We can go anywhere you'd like. Anywhere. Number 16, humble. Are you known as a humble person? Humble. Number 17, handle. Dad repaired the broken handle. Handle. Number 18,
mumble,
please don't mumble when you speak. Mumble. Number 19, dimple. The baby has a dimple on his chin. Dimple. Number 20, tumble. The kittens love to play and tumble. Tumble. Okay, we're going to go back over I'm going to go back over the whole list. Number 1, candle. Candle. Number 2,
turtle,
number 3,
look,
number 4, twinkle. Number 5, crumble. Number 6,
sprinkle,
number 7, jungle. Number 8,
sample, number 9, purple,
number 10,
simple,
number 11,
marble,
number 12, stood.
number 13, anyone, number 14, anything,
Number
15, anywhere,
number 16,
humble, number 17, handle,
number 18,
mumble,
number 19,
dimple, number 20, tumble. Okay. All right. Like I said,
have your parents to look over that list, and the ones that you missed, you want to study those for Friday's actual test. So you have those words also on page 120, and let's do page 120 and 121 together, the proofreading review.
Okay, so turn to page
120. We're going to read each phrase.
If an underlined
word is spelled incorrectly, mark it. If all the underlined words are spelled correctly, mark all correct. Okay, so number 1, a sprinkle of rain. Sprinkle is underlined. Latest is underlined. Small is underlined. Are they all correct, or is one of them misspelled? The word sprinkle is misspelled. You can look over on your list to see. Remember, our words mostly are LE words, so that would be incorrect for sprinkle. SPRINKLE is the correct spelling of sprinkle. So number 1, you would circle in sprinkle. Number 2, a slow turtle, 3 cute puppies, the cleanest dress, or are they all correct? Okay, if you look at puppies, you would not spell puppies Puppys. You would drop the Y and put IES. You would spell puppies Puppis, not Puppys. That is incorrect. So you would circle that one. Color in that one for puppies. Number 3, a tall candle, a flat tire, 4 white bunnies, or are they all correct? Let's look at them. Candle is spelled correctly. Flat is spelled correctly, but what about bunnies? Remember the rule, when a word ends in Y and you want to make it plural, you drop the Y and add IES. So bunnies would be incorrect. So that's one that you would color in. Number 4, a brown football, 10 pennies, a long neck. Look at pennies. Pennies is spelled correct. Brown is spelled correct. And long is spelled correctly. So pennies, IES, that would be correct instead of PENNYS. So you would say, you would mark in that they're all correct. Okay, now read the sentence. If an underlined word is spelled incorrectly, mark it, just like we just did. If all the underlined words are spelled correctly, mark all correct. Look at number 5. Take a look at the big cats in the jungle. Take, look, and jungle. They're all correct. Number 6. Draw a dog in your purple notebook. I know you understand which one is spelled incorrectly right away. We look at the word purple and it is not spelled correctly. So we would mark that one in. Number 7, Pete and his friend could bring in the firewood. Let's look at those words. Is friend spelled correctly? Of course not. FRIEND would be the correct spelling, so we would mark that one. Number 8, we should play football in the daylight. Come on, guys, you know that one. We can look at the first word, should, and we know it does not spell that way. That is incorrect. So the correct spelling of should is SHOULD. So you would mark that one. Okay, let's go to page 121. Let's talk about some dictionary skills.
On page 121.
Syllables. When a word ends in a consonant plus IE, we put the consonant with the last syllable. Okay, look at little. LIT. It's ending in LE. So we would divide that word between the double consonants. Little. Okay, marble. So we're going to divide that, say the syllables, marble. And you would see where that division should take place. So write each word in syllables, put a dot between the syllables. Look at the word humble. 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 So that those are two syllables. It's a 2-syllable word. So you would put a dot between hum and bowl, in between M and B. Okay, let's look at candle. Okay, we can hear that easily. Candle. Okay, so CAN, we would put a dot between that to separate those 2 syllables. Okay, the next one, simple. SIM, simple. So you're going to put the dot between M and the P to divide those syllables. Jungle. Jung, JUN, and then GLE. Okay? Purple. PUR, per, and the dot, PLE. Okay? Marble. I'm sure you know where that division takes place. Mar, 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 and then a dot, bowl. Twinkle. Okay, this one may be just a little bit tricky, but twinkle. So it's TWIN and then the dot and the KLE. Mumble. MUM, the dot, BLE. Turtle. TUR, dot, TLE. Okay, simple. SIM, dot, PLE. All of these are 2-syllable words, and the whole idea is you would put the last consonant with the last syllable. You're not going to put the last consonant with the first syllable. That's where the syllable breaks. If you have any problems with that, you can look these words up in your dictionary and it will surely show you where to separate them. But I think that you pretty much get the idea. So, all right, so that is our lesson for today, and that is the conclusion of the lesson.